Have you ever found yourself lost while driving or walking in an unfamiliar area? Or maybe you have heard people talk about Google Maps but never knew where to start. Well, today everything changes. By the end of this video, you are going to know exactly how to use Google Maps step by step.
See, Grandpa?
To
Just tap
get
here and type where you want to go.
directions, find nearby places, and navigate with total confidence wherever you go.
That's simple. Thank you, Lucas.
So, what exactly is Google Maps? Think of it as the most detailed, most up-to-date map in the world that fits right in your pocket. It knows where you are at all times using your phone's GPS. It can give you turn-by-turn directions whether you are driving, walking, or taking public transportation. It can show you exactly how long your trip will take with current traffic, and it updates itself constantly, so the information is always current. Before we dive into how to use Google Maps, let us make sure you have it on your phone. On an iPhone, go to the App Store, search for Google Maps, and tap Get to download it for free. On an Android phone, it is usually already installed. If not, go to the Google Play Store and search for Google Maps. Once it is installed, open it and allow it to access your location when it asks. This is what lets it know where you are so it can give you accurate directions. Now, let us get to the most important skill, getting directions. Tap the search bar at the top of the Google Maps screen and type where you want to go. It can be a full address, a business name, or even just a neighborhood. Once you see your destination in the results, tap it. Then tap the blue Directions button. Choose how you are traveling, by car, by walking, or by bus. Google Maps will show you the best route with the exact time it will take. Then tap Start and Google Maps will guide you with voice instructions the entire way. One of the most useful features of Google Maps is finding places near you. Tap the search bar and type what you are looking for: pharmacy, grocery store, gas station, restaurant, hospital, bank, and Google Maps will instantly show you all the matching places nearby. You can see their address, phone number, opening hours, and even customer reviews. Tap on any location and tap directions to get there immediately. This feature alone can make a huge difference in your daily independence. One of the best things about Google Maps is that it talks to you. Once you tap Start, Google Maps will give you spoken directions through your phone speaker, so you never have to look down at your screen while driving. It will say things like, "In half a mile turn, right onto Oak Street," or "Your destination is on the left." The voice is clear and easy to understand, and if you miss a turn, do not panic. Google Maps will automatically recalculate and find you a new route within seconds. Google Maps is not just for driving. The walking mode is incredibly useful for seniors. Tap the walking person icon when choosing your route type, and Google Maps will give you pedestrian directions, including sidewalks, crosswalks, and pedestrian paths that a driving route would not show you. It will also tell you the exact walking distance and time. This is perfect for walks in an unfamiliar neighborhood, finding a specific entrance to a building, or exploring a new area on foot with total confidence. Finding restaurants and businesses with Google Maps is incredibly easy and really useful. Let us say you want to find a nice diner for lunch near where you are. Just tap the search bar and type "diner near me," and Google Maps will show you a list with star ratings, price range, distance, and whether they are currently open. You can even see photos of the food and read reviews from other customers.
It is. So glad
Tap
Google
on
Maps
any
found
restaurant and you can
To
call
Google
them
Maps.
directly
To
from
Google
Google
Maps.
Maps or get directions
perfect
immediately.
too.
Two features that will save you a lot of time are saving your home address and saving favorite places. To set your home address, tap the search bar, tap Saved, then tap Home and enter your address. From now on, whenever you want directions home from anywhere, just tap the search bar and tap Home. And Google Maps will navigate you straight back. You can also save favorite places like your doctor's office, your church, your family members' homes, so you never have to type the same address twice. One of the most practical features of Google Maps is real-time traffic information. Before you start driving, Google Maps will show you if there is heavy traffic on your route, and it will suggest alternative routes that might be faster. It color codes the traffic. Green means clear, yellow means slow, and red means heavy traffic. You can see multiple route options and pick the one that works best for you. This feature alone can save you a lot of frustration and time, especially when driving to medical appointments or important events. Here is a Google Maps feature that many seniors absolutely love: Street View. Before you drive somewhere new, you can actually see what the street looks like: the building, the parking lot, the entrance, all from the comfort of your home. Just search for your destination, tap the photo of the street at the bottom of the screen, and you will be dropped right into a 360-degree photo of that location. This way, when you arrive, everything looks familiar and you know exactly where to go. If you use public transportation, Google Maps is absolutely incredible. Simply tap the transit icon. It looks like a small bus or train when choosing your route type. Google Maps will show you exactly which bus or train to take, which stop to get on at, which stop to get off at, and exactly how long the walk is between stops. It even shows you when the next bus is coming in real time. No more confusing schedules or wondering which stop to get off at. Google Maps handles all of it for you. Here are some practical Google Maps tips that seniors find particularly helpful. First, when navigating to a destination, type in the full address, including the zip code for the most accurate results. Second, if you are driving to a large complex like a hospital or mall, search for the specific entrance or parking area name for better accuracy. Third, you can ask Google Maps to avoid highways if you prefer smaller roads. Just tap options before starting navigation and toggle off highways. And fourth, always keep your phone charged before a long drive so Google Maps does not run out of battery mid-route. Here is a feature that brings families together: location sharing. With Google Maps, you can share your real-time location with a family member so they can always see where you are on their phone. This is especially helpful for peace of mind for both you and your family. To share your location, tap your profile picture in Google Maps, tap Location Sharing, tap Share Location, and choose a family member from your contacts. They will be able to see exactly where you are in real time. Many seniors find this feature incredibly reassuring when driving long distances or visiting unfamiliar areas. Here is a feature that could really save you one day offline maps. If you are going somewhere with poor cell service or you simply want to save your phone battery, you can download a map of an area to use without any internet connection. Go to your profile picture in Google Maps, tap Offline Maps, tap Select Your Own Map, choose the area you want to download, and tap Download. Once downloaded, Google Maps works completely without internet in that area. Perfect for road trips, rural areas, or any time you're unsure about cell coverage.
Hey Google, navigate to the grocery store.
One of the most helpful things you can do is use Google Maps completely hands-free using voice commands. While driving, you can simply say, "Hey Google, navigate to St. Mary's Hospital," and Google Maps will start navigating immediately without you touching your phone at all. On an iPhone, you can use Siri, "Hey Siri, give me directions to the nearest pharmacy," and it will open Google Maps automatically. This hands-free feature is especially important for safety while driving and makes using Google Maps even easier for people who find typing on small screens challenging. Let me share a few important safety points about using Google Maps. First, always glance at the full route before you start driving and make sure it looks reasonable. Occasionally, GPS routes can take unexpected turns. Second, do not panic if Google Maps shows an unfamiliar road. Just follow the voice instructions calmly and it will get you there. Third, if the map seems completely wrong, it is always okay to pull over safely, stop the navigation, and search again. And fourth, remember that Google Maps is a tool to assist you. Your common sense and your judgment always come first. I want to take a moment to talk about what Google Maps really means for seniors beyond just navigation. It means independence. It means being able to go to a new doctor's office without asking someone for help. It means exploring a new neighborhood on your own terms. It means never feeling stranded or lost. It means being able to say yes to invitations and opportunities because you know you can get there and get back. That feeling of confident independence at any age is one of the most valuable things in the world. And Google Maps gives you that. Let me give you a quick summary of the Google Maps features you now know. 1. Search any address or business name for instant directions. 2. Choose driving, walking, or transit mode for your route. 3. Let the voice guide you so you never look away from the road. 4. Find restaurants, pharmacies, hospitals, and any business near you instantly. 5. Save your home and favorite places for one-tap navigation. 6. Use Street View to preview your destination before you leave. 7. Download offline maps for areas with poor signal. 8. Share your location with family for mutual peace of mind. 9. Use voice commands completely hands-free. And 10. Explore the world confidently at your own pace. And there you have it. You are now a Google Maps user. And I truly mean that. You now have the knowledge to navigate anywhere with confidence on your own terms, at your own pace, without depending on anyone else. Google Maps is one of those tools that genuinely expands what is possible in your daily life. Where do you want to go this week that you have been putting off because you were not sure how to get there? Now you know. Go there, explore, discover, and enjoy every moment of getting there. Subscribe to Tech After 60 for a new video every week, and share this with someone who needs it today.